Yeah, I'm taking this apart now. See what she's made of. Oh. Just gonna remove that handle at the same time. Okay, that's the handle. That's all this area looks like it's perfectly intact. Sounds pretty good in here. Okay. We know that part is intact except for the rough look it has on the outside. Now this is our issue. So now air comes through there. Oh, and there's a pin. There's a pin that goes all the way up to the trigger that pushes the trigger out like that. So when there's a force on it, the air pushes it up, and there has to be something that blocks it off so that you could activate the trigger before it moves. It could have been spring loaded in there. Now I have no idea, so I'm just going to come up with something. I'm going to come up with something that could actually substitute that pin. And then I'll try to figure out that spring tension afterwards. But I need to be able to block that hole while the trigger is open. And when the trigger is activated, then they should let the air in. We'll start there. Okay, that little pin, kind of weird in there. So, here we got a little needle nose plier. Hope you can see down inside that the belly of the beast there. There's a pin. It's got a nice ball pin too. There's an opening. So that's our pin there. So I'm going to try and recreate this pin with a stop on the very end with the same dimension. I'm going to make it out of brass and we'll take it from there. Let's go over to the lathe and quickly rig up this pin.